Hello viewers, you can see this is an blogspot.com. This is my website, and this site is AdSense approved. So how I can get this approval? I will show you that you can easily approval your blogger from AdSense. So you need to six main things to be confirmed. That I will show you which are that. This is my blog site that you can see here: sitemap, disclaimer, about us, contact us, home, and privacy policy, etc. How I add this, I will show you. This is very simple. Just follow my tutorial and go step by step. Don't skip my video, so you can't learn. So you can see here the six option: about us, contact us, disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and sitemap. These six items is very important for your blogger. So I will show you this tutorial, contact us, and privacy policy. Okay, so I uploaded already about us, disclaimer, terms and conditions, sitemaps. You can check my YouTube channel. I will give you the uh, link, or you can visit my blog spot also. And this is my blog spot. Okay, so um, you you can just see or visit my channels for more videos about blog spots and AdSense. How can approve your blog spot or website for AdSense ads? You can also learn graphics design from my YouTube channel. You can see this. You can see my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channels, and also like and comment on this tutorial. So let's go for this tutorial. I will show you how can we add the contractors and privacy policy page on our blog spot or website. So let's get started. So first, you can see here uh, my blog, and so first you have to go your Gmail and your drive. I am click on my drive. So after click on my drive, here is the my drive. You have to click here, and then the Google Forms, and click on the arrow and down from a uh, template. Okay, so here you can get many templates. Here you can choose anyone, but I need the contact us information template. It's default. I will select that. Here is the contact information. So I'm clicking on that form. Here is loading. You can see here. After click on this, your contact information page is ready. Here is name, email, address, phone number, and comments also. So anyone if want to contact you, they have to fill this form. And you can see here also the requirements. That's very easy. Now we have to just click on the send button. You can uh, I think I know you are watching, or you can see the send button on that page. So you have to create here a new page for contact us. The title should be contact us, and now you have to click on the HTML option. Okay, yeah, HTML option. I'm click on this, and you need to clear this page, and I'm return on that contact us form. And here you have to click on the send. Okay, just I'm click, that's not here, that not the right place. Yeah, send, this is here. And now we have to copy code from the embedded option, HTML embedded. Okay, this is the link option, I don't need it. I need the embed HTML. Yes, you need to copy this embed HTML codes from here. Just click on the you can copy, you can change the size of also, wide and height. So I am just copying these uh, links, or you can click on the copy option. Yes, copy is done, and you need to clear this space and also paste here. Okay, my work is done. You can see the this on the HTML. Now you have to click on the published and confirm it. Your work is done. Now you have to view. After click on the view, you need to copy this URL. Okay, this address on the address bar, you need to copy this. Okay, I'm just copy here, copy that. And now you have to return again on the blogger layout. Yes, I click on the layout options, and now you have to go on the top bar link. Okay, here is the and upper and down. Okay, this is the bottom, here is the contact us also, and also in the top. So I need to paste the link here. So first I need to create a contact us options. Here is the contact us option. I edit, click on the edit, and the link I paste here. Save. Okay, contact us saved, done, saved. And now I have to go in the bottom also. Okay, I can see here the contact us form. Okay, click here. Now my contact us is added. It's very easy, not so very much difficult. So now let's go. Now it's privacy policy. It's a very important part of the blog, so you need to do it properly. Don't go rush. Okay, now we have to search the privacy and policy generator. Okay, just search on your Google uh, privacy policy generator. So I'm just search there, and I got some results, and I click on this. This website is free, so I am using it. Now uh, they require your company name. So my company name is World Policy and Stories, and also the website name and the URL. Okay, your website URL, copy and paste here. Now next. Yes, I do want to continue. Yes, it's also yes. Now it's no, no, yes, yes, and now next. So country, you have to choose your country. I am from Bangladesh, so Bangladeshi character, and email you have to give there. So here is the copy text. Okay, so I copied the text from here, and now I'm going for new page also. I need to create a new page. Okay, like that. Privacy policy, I need to create a new page. Yeah, for upper and for bottom. So now I'm going for a page and create here from the new page. Yes, new page, and give the title name is privacy and policy. Yeah, policy, and I'm going for the compose view. Sorry, HTML view. Okay, yes, HTML view, and I'm paste here. Now I need to check for by the compose view. Okay, just for the error. So you have to delete the links. Yeah, just check it. Okay, you have to delete these links, otherwise you don't get approval from the AdSense. So be careful. I'm just deleting the links. Take some time, no problem. Also the error grammars I'm just correcting it from here by the Grammarly. Now it's okay, done. So I'm just going to publish. Yeah, confirm. And same way I'm just going to view and copy the URL. Yes, and now return on my blog page, and also layout. Now the link is on the top. Yes, I need to create a privacy policy, new options. Yeah, at site add a new button. Now the site name is privacy and policy. Yeah, policy, policy, policy. And now the URL I have to paste here. Okay, it's done, and save. Okay, and now I have to go the uh, okay, done. The button or bottom option in the same way. So that's so easy. Okay, not so much complex, just simple. You have to just follow my uh, tutorial and go step by step. Now I need to privacy policy is done, and in my channel you can view the about us, how can add about us, disclaimer, terms and conditions, site maps, etc. About blogs and AdSense. You can see here. You can learn or fix your AdSense problem from my tutorial. So subscribe my channel and like and comments. Thank you so much for watching.